Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics that matter. Make sure your phone or computer and the casting device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, close the casting app and stop it so any hung process clears. This forces a fresh session. Then power cycle the target device by unplugging it for 5 to 10 seconds and plugging back in. This clears transient errors in the receiver. Make sure to give the device 30-60 seconds to fully boot before trying to cast again. Next, focus on network and settings because many casting ends happen from simple mismatches. You should confirm the router isn't isolating clients or putting devices on separate bands where discovery fails. Once that's verified, update firmware and the casting app on both ends to remove known bugs. Then forget or remove the device from the casting app and rediscover it. This re-establishes correct handshake and authentication. If discovery still fails, try a temporary hotspot from your phone to rule out router-specific issues. For final resolution, escalate methodically. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation to avoid IP conflicts that abruptly end casting sessions. If problems persist, enable developer or diagnostic mode on the receiver and capture logs so you can see connection errors. You can perform a factory reboot of the receiver as a last resort, but back up any settings first because this resets paired accounts. If you still get the casting ended message, record the exact error code and timestamp and contact support with logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.